You are as big as...
Well, that's a nice fish, huh? Alright, here we are on the Rio Mojene with Paul. Paul's originally from from England, but he's living on the Falkland Islands now. He's like a fisheries biologist, right?
Yeah, marine biologist.
Marine biologist. Anyway, we just hooked this nice brown. We're gonna hook. Oh! Look at that! Hello, Rio Mojene. Look at that. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that fish. Beauty. Beauty. Nice. And this is the river itself. We're just got a light rain. This is Pops. Hey. And then he's jealous.
Only a little
bit.
That's yeah. No, please see me soon get a good fish.
Oh yeah, that's always great. Okay, back to the fish here.
That's a good brown.
Wow, look at the brown. Yeah, this is a native brown, and he took this streamer. And then let's see the fisherman here, huh? Woohoo!
Hola.
Nice. Well, what a great fish here on the Rio Mojene, thanks to the river. We're only about 30 miles from the ocean, so there's no dams on this river, and it's kind of a what I would call an Amazon, Florida Everglades type river. And actually, it's been a little bit slow up to now, but well, yeah, that was just amazing hookup.